Hello people, this is my BMW with a broken camshaft chain. Here, take a look. The cylinder head is out. The gearbox is out. Every part above the cylinder is out. Here it is, the cylinder head with new valves. Here's a complete row. The camshafts are broken here and here. This camshaft is bended, so over there I have the first parts what is new, and I will try to assemble it and bring him back to work. So now today is starting to assemble the car back. So this high pressure pump, it's a rework pump. So today it's coming here in the position in the motor here on it. So now the high pressure pump is back in the motor. It's an easy thing. It's done. Next step is bring the chain here inside. So now my chain is back. I have it here. It's 45 degrees before OT. Then here is the chain up, what is going to the high pressure pump. Then here downside is here is the tool. And here is the chain what is going down to the oil pump. I have made it with a hole here inside, and I make a flange and I close. After everything is ready, I close this flange. Now I have moved the wheel to this point in this direction. To have this screw, and this screw here in line. So that's the point. You have this bolt. I think it is 25 degree on the right side. So if you have this bolt on this point, then it fits with the bolt what is here on the right side when the cover is back to the flywheel. So that's the point. Now I bring the chain here for the camshaft on the wheel, and I put the plastic holder back, and then I close this cover, and then I tried to bring the head on it and bring the chain in the head. Now I have the new chain here. Here is it on and I fixed it to this point here up to hold it in this position. So next step is I bring the cover on this side. So now the cover here is back. I have bring in between cover and motor a sealing. You see it a little bit here and a little bit here. It's coming out. Complete the complete surface. All screws in, and then it's done, and it looks not bad for me. I can bring it the cylinder head, and then I bring in the chain. Looks not bad. So next step, Bavarian lunchtime. So now the cylinder head is back. My chain is here, and my sealing is here. And the moment for the screws is on this paper. It's this coming with the sealing. So today I have bring in the camshafts with the plate. I fixed it with the screws. Then I bring this wheel with the chain in it, then the guiding, then the screw here for the guiding, then after this the pusher from the downside here, and then the chain is in. Then you need the tool with the bolt from the flywheel, and then the tool what is going from here to here and brings the position of the camshaft. And if you have the position of the camshaft, you can fix the screws, the 3 screws here in front of this chain wheel. The tools what you need is this bolt for the flywheel downside, and this brake head, this direction for the camshaft position. So if you have bring in everything together with the chain and the parts, you can make a test if you have a compression of the cylinders. So put a plug here inside, really good, and then you have to rotate. That's it, and taste it for every cylinder. Now at this step, fix the cooler, fix the housing, and fix the cover and this pipe. So now you have to bring the cover back, then your cover on this side, and also the injectors and the diesel pipes. Don't forget the high pressure pump. So now this housing are also back, and the suction bridge is back, and the wiring of the plugs is back. And the next step is bring the complete wiring over the left side, from the right side to the left side, and plug everything together, and then that's it. So now you see the plug, what I have made here. It's diameter 40 for the hole, and outside 62. And I have 6 screws in it, and sealing, and also bonding the screws with Loctite. So for timing, you see here, it's easy. You see these 2 bolts, these 2 holes here, and you have 8 of these holes. And then you see from here to here at 8 holes, you have 45 degree, and this bolt is in the middle of 45 degree, so it's 22.5 degree. So if you have this rib, this hole, and this hole and the middle here in line, then you have the 22.5 degree position right side. So it's the plug position for the flywheel, and that's the timing position to go up and go complete up to the camshafts. And the timing for position for the high pressure pump, it's for a motor before 2013, it is on this point, it's 22.5 to the middle plus 22.5 to this point, and then you have 45 degrees in this direction, and you have the timing position for the high pressure pump. It's on this point. So you see it's easy. You have only these 2 things. The motors after 2013, it's anywhere here in the middle with this position of this bolt.
running.